I have this really nice curvy front sidewalk, but over the years, part of it had sunk, and there was like 2 inches gap between one step and another. And I was really scared somebody was going to trip. I was wanting the sidewalk to be even so it would be safe, especially at nighttime if somebody was walking down there and they wanted to fall. When I called, they told me that Brian was going to be coming out to the house, and he inspected everything. He was very professional. He sat down with his laptop and showed me all the process. And then when Sean and Milton came out to work on the sidewalk, they were just really happy to show me how it worked. And they even called me out and said, "Do you want to come see this?" And so I got to see the sidewalk raised up. It was really cool. They were really nice. I'm really happy with my sidewalk now. I mean, seriously, I'm not worried about anybody tripping on it. And it's just even and flat, just like when we first built the house.